Hey everyone, if your Behance project is not uploading in 2026, like stuck on loading, upload failed, or images not publishing, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance project not uploading step by step. First, open Behance and check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet is one of the most common reasons for upload failure. Next, refresh the page and log out, then log back in. This helps reset your session and fix small glitches. Now check your file sizes. Very large images or videos can fail to upload properly on Behance. After that, make sure your files are in supported formats like JPG, PNG, or MP4. Unsupported formats will not work. Next, clear your browser cache. Old cached data can sometimes block uploads. Now try using a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is browser related. After that, disable extensions like ad blockers. They can interfere with the upload process. Finally, try uploading in incognito mode. This avoids cache and extension conflicts. So yeah, that's how you fix Behance project not uploading in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your uploads should work smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design troubleshooting tutorials for beginners.